Dumbbell handweights for exercise and resistance training, ideal for fitness classes, home gym, or workout area. Includes 2 gray dumbbells, each weighing 15 pounds, 30 pounds total. Neoprene coating for a secure, non-slip grip. Printed weight number on each end cap for quick identification. Hexagonal shape prevents dumbbells from rolling away. Product dimensions. Approximately 9.7 by 4.6 by 4.6 inches, LxWxH. Top reviews from the United States. A true collector's set. My GF bought these as collector's pieces. It's been months and they remain in pristine condition sitting in unopened boxes in our pantry, along with a workout DVD still wrapped in the original plastic. Hopefully these will stay in the family for generations to come, at least the family who buys them from our future garage sale for 1/10 the price.